In this video, you'll see how MagicFlixAI 2.0 builds complete faceless channel businesses with powerful self-learning AI that can create, grow, rank, monetize, and scale channels automatically. Faceless channels have become one of the easiest ways for anyone to generate traffic and build a profitable online business. But MagicFlixAI 2.0 goes far beyond creating generic AI-generated videos and channels. It builds stunning branded channels in today's most popular niches and content styles, complete with unique identities, monetization opportunities beyond ad revenue, custom products, and long-term growth potential. As you'll see, anyone, regardless of technical experience, can use MagicFlixAI 2.0 to create incredible individual videos or fully automate entire channels designed to attract audiences, generate income, and stand the test of time. First, choose to create a self-learning AI channel brain for any channel that studies any style, offer, or business to develop a unique brand voice and content strategy designed specifically for your channel. No more generic AI sounding or looking videos and channels. Then create a single video, automate an entire channel, or clone a business into a channel. Choose a channel theme like POV simulation, trivia, educational affiliate channels, local business clones, or create your own. Make channels in the hottest themes working now, or even classic story videos in tons of niches like scary, kids, fantasy, and more. Next, add AI realistic narrators, whether to leverage video clips or images for your channel. Add video styles like ultra-realism, Ghibli, Pixar, and more from all the best AI models. Customize the script and upload reference images for videos way better than everyone else's. Now, preview your video and leverage the upgraded drag and drop timeline editor if desired to make changes. Edit scripts, trim scenes, add transitions, effects, background music, custom assets, and more to make the video visually stunning. Schedule your videos individually, or with automatic mode, MagicFlixAI 2.0's built-in content calendar will post your videos according to a schedule, growing your channel for you on autopilot. To generate traffic fast, the AI optimization wizard will auto-rank your videos by adding the best hashtags, finding fresh topics ready to go viral, discovering the best long-tail keywords to rank for, optimizing for SEO, and even generating on-brand viral video thumbnails. Plus, as a bonus step, you can monetize your channels right out of the gate beyond just views. Let AI discover high-commission affiliate products, then create self-learning video channels designed to promote those exact offers. Create agency channels that get clients and funnels that land local clients who want video channels made for them. Find ultra-targeted influencers who will pay for sponsorship opportunities and land them in a click, and much more. As a special bonus, you also get exclusive access to our academy, where we'll reveal in paint-by-numbers detail the exact affiliate marketing strategies and channel traffic frameworks we've used to generate millions of dollars online. Okay, so let's dive into the app more in detail now. Before you start creating your videos and channels, you can create a channel brain that will learn anyone's style, products, and business. This ensures when the channels get created, they don't sound and look like generic AI channels that get less engagement, and can showcase specific products and business content automatically. Just give it a name, upload any files, images, docs, or paste in text like this to create your optional channel brain. Then choose to create a single video, automate an entire channel, or clone a business or product into a channel. Select where the videos will go. MagicFlix 2.0 now supports multiple networks. Then choose a theme for your channel, including themes that are going viral now, like ultra-realism, POV videos, trivia, recreate history, Unreal, ASMR, or standard themes like scary stories, educational channels, affiliate product channels, and more. Or use custom prompting to make your own custom video or channel idea. Toggle on your channel brain to ensure the videos get populated with unique brand styles and custom products to begin earning immediately from. Preview and choose an ultra-realistic voiceover artist from tons of models. Make image-based videos or clip-based ones. Then pick from stunning image or video themes like Ghibli, photorealism, Toon, and tons of others. Add subtitles, background music, and more. Select your posting schedule, and MagicFlix 2.0 will create, rank, and monetize your profitable channel for you. If creating videos individually, choose to edit the scripts of the videos, image prompts, upload reference images, and more so the videos turn out first class exactly how you need. Then preview the video, the title, description, and schedule a time for it to post with a custom thumbnail if you want. Or if desired, use the upgraded drag and drop timeline editor to customize the video. The drag and drop timeline editor allows you to edit the slide timings with point and click ease. You can change out the AI image or video by rendering another or uploading your own asset. Choose from a huge library of transitions and effects and easily apply the ones you want. Edit the voiceover, background music, and more. Re-render and preview until the video ends up far better than the competition. At any time, check the content calendar to see when all your videos are posting into what platforms, and click to change the times with ease. But MagicFlix 2.0 doesn't just create hundreds of the most viral channels for you, it instantly monetizes them in several different ways, so you're not relying on views alone to profit. Navigate to offers and let AI find the best converting products across all major affiliate networks. Enter a keyword to browse for products and let your channel brand incorporate it into your channel so you can earn from the products in the videos and affiliate link in your video descriptions and bio links. You can build a list of subscribers too by navigating to pages and creating a landing page that captures the email of subscribers from your channel. Or even create an entire store that sells multiple affiliate offers. You can earn as an agency too, using AI agent video technology to clone a business into a channel that showcases their products and services. You can get clients by creating channels that offer marketing education, and then letting MagicFlixAI 2.0 build agency landing pages that capture leads and sell your channel services right there for you. Just click Agency Page, enter any details you want, then let AI build a custom agency page selling your exact service like AI channel creation, with the ability to customize it anytime, including adding your own images, re-editing text sections, and more. You can find highly targeted influencers and potential clients actively promoting their brands on social media and let MagicFlixAI 2 land them as a sponsorship for your channel, complete with the outreach and landing pages too. You don't need to worry about getting initial subscribers either because MagicFlixAI 2.0 now ranks your videos fast in YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and AI search by first finding the hottest hashtags on all major networks that will get your video seen and get views fast. Then it can find trending topics for your channels to make videos about. You can leverage AI to find trending topics that can make the video go viral and blow up your channel. Have MagicFlix find and add the best long-tail traffic and buyer keywords, seeing the competition and demand score, so that your videos will rank in YouTube, Google, and AI search far easier, pulling in buyers to the channel. Auto-optimize your title so it's more click-worthy with the title optimizer as well as the description so it will rank easier. Plus, create eye-popping thumbnails for any video, complete in your channel's brand style, pulling from reference images. Now there's way more to what MagicFlixAI 2.0 can do, but as you can see, this is not just an incredible AI video maker, but the first true suite that can create the easiest type of business to get traffic, leads, and sales from faceless channel businesses. And never before has there been anything that can learn, create, and automate entire channels that excite people, monetize them in several different ways, and then get the initial traffic and subscribers for you with no technical experience needed on your end. So whether you're an affiliate marketer, agency marketer, infopreneur that needs traffic, or you're just starting from scratch, there's no better tool right now than MagicFlixAI 2.0 to grab attention and build lasting video assets that stand out from all other video material online now.